Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled HVAC Contractors Lynchburg, Virginia. And this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. And the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you get yourself into these top 3 is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 so that people can find you. So I pulled up the website and just going over, going through it a little bit. I wanted to kind of go over a couple of things. And the main thing that you want to do with your website is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage primarily. And this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors have about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords, and keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled HVAC Contractors Lynchburg, Virginia, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search, and Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at the website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on here and the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help your website rank. So I pulled up one of the competitors in the area, and I have a paid program that I use. I kind of just wanted to show you, go over it real quick, and I pulled up Davis Heating and Cooling. And so real quick, I wanted to go through some things, and the first thing I want to talk about was the UR and the DR ratings, because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. And the UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and the DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And we can click on the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And then lastly, I wanted to go over about organic keywords in the content that I had mentioned before. So real quick, just going through, and I want to show you kind of focusing on the volume column to show you what keywords, people are trying to look for, in a given month. So just kind of giving you an idea, heating and air, Lynchburg, VA, 80 people look for that. HVAC, Lynchburg, VA, 100 people are looking for that. Heating and cooling, Lynchburg, VA, 20 people. Just giving you an idea of kind of where, people are searching for things in a given month. But it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people that are going to find you, and the more people are going to call, and in turn, the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.